What up, y'all? So it is a BMW day, unfortunately, but this one is a stick shift, and the gear thing isn't connecting, so it ended up being the part at the end of the shifter that's supposed to hook up to the transmission is right here. So basically it's supposed to be a little clamp. There we go. All right, so it's supposed to be a little clamp right in this groove piece that's gonna hold it. Let me get a flash. It's supposed to be a little clamp on that piece which holds it to let's see if I can find it up here. Alright, this little thing right there. So that piece, I'll circle it on the video, but it's supposed to hook into that and then clamp on the back side. But somehow the clamp came off. Ordered a clamp and they sent the wrong one. So went to the store. I got some of these. These are called E-clamps. So this should work just fine. You basically slide it on like that. And then once it's all the way on, it'll clamp in place. It'll give it like a little washer on the backside to keep it from coming out. So hopefully it works. It's hard to record because I can reach it without removing the drive shaft, but for you to see it while I reach it, I probably have to take this drive shaft off, which I'm not taking off. And judging by the looks of it, probably needs to come off anyway sometime soon to be replaced. But like the little rubber piece between it. But that's a job for another day. I'm just trying to get this thing to be able to shift. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap this on, put this little clamp in, and hopefully it works. And I'll put a link to these as well as the actual BMW part that's supposed to go on here, which I ordered one on eBay. I mean, not eBay, Amazon, and then they sent me the wrong thing. So it wasn't even a clamp. It was like a screw-on nut that won't help or fit any of this. So yeah, let me slap this on, and hopefully I can get this thing back shifting. All right, so I got the piece put in. It's actually super easy to put on. Like, you legit just press it forward just a little bit and it'll make like a little click noise and it's on. So this is the part. It's Dorman. It's got an E-clipe, but Dorman, what the number? 13325. It's an assorted pack, so I just used the biggest one in here. But clamped right on. I think this was like $5 or something. So, you know, not that expensive. The parts I ordered, I guess they'll be here sometime next week, so that'll be like a backup. So if I actually need to go back, which I don't think I will, but if anything is wrong with these and I have to go back, I got replacements on the way. But I'll go ahead and get this thing back down on all four wheels. Nothing or nobody is under there. So yeah, so shifter still not moving. There we go. Forgive the dirt. This one not mine, but so yeah, everything works and shouldn't pop it loose anymore. But that's that. So I'm done with this car for a while. I will get back at y'all on the next one. Nothing new with this. Yeah, spoiler came off. That sucked. But vet will be in the shop next week getting the trans rebuilt. So I don't know how long that's gonna take. But yeah, stick around. And we got Mustang stuff coming up eventually. So catch y'all in the next one.